Welcome to Currently. These are the news from the world of smart cities that have caught our attention this week. This Valentine's Day week, let's start with connections. Meshify, the IoT subsidiary of insurer HSB, announced it's ready to connect water leak and freeze sensors to Amazon Sidewalk. Amazon Sidewalk bridge devices like Echo and Ring create a low bandwidth network, and HSB's Meshify sensors alert property owners of frozen pipes, water leaks, and other dangers via an app. HSB and Meshify claimed that they want to democratize IoT sensor technology by making it easier and cheaper for HSB customers to install sensors to prevent property damage. But no price for the solution has yet been published. It's not the first time we've seen a story like this. Insurance companies are taking an interest in IoT leak detection, like AXA or Northbridge teaming up with Eddy Solutions for their water monitoring technology. Let's bring our eyes to the road. Saint-Quentin-en-Yvelines, a French agglomeration, recently signed a contract with Mobilize, a Renault Group subsidiary specializing in mobility solutions, to deploy 5 different solutions: a road quality solution to optimize roadworks, a safety solution to determine accident-prone areas, noise pollution and general pollution monitoring solutions, and last but not least, a solution to help the agglomeration optimize its EV charging locations by analyzing urban space and electric vehicle user habits, an investment in their infrastructure. Espitel, a joint venture between ST Engineering and Singapore Power Group, has launched Singapore's first LoRaWAN-powered sensor network. Espitel's sensor network, which has solar panel-powered gateways, initially covered more than 70% of heartlands, 42% of hawker centres, and 52% of town councils, but the company intends to continue expanding the network. We'll need to keep an eye out to see what projects the network will connect in Singapore. Back in Europe, Madrid recently announced plans to deploy over 11,000 fill-level sensors connected to Senseneo's smart waste management platform to optimize the route of its waste collection fleet. With the deployment of their technology, the Spanish capital hopes to reduce emissions, noise pollution, and traffic congestion, while also saving fuel and money. The project, the largest smart waste rollout in Europe, is part of the second phase of the waste collection service contract for the city of Madrid, which was awarded to a joint venture comprised of Valoriza, Acciona, and OHL Ingersoll. In 2021, the Rennes Metropole Sanitation Authority collaborated with Pure Control to reduce the electricity consumption of its wastewater treatment plants by nearly 20%, cutting down approximately 20 tons of CO2 emissions. The Metropole has now set a new goal for itself, reducing nitrous oxide emissions. For that, Pure Control has collaborated with Cobalt Water Global, a US company specializing in the modeling and management of this gas in wastewater treatment plants, to develop a solution that controls and optimizes pool aeration systems in real time for N2O emissions. The Sanitation Authority of Rennes Metropole has already conducted some trials and plans to implement it early this year, making it the first in the world to do so. That's it for now, but we'll be back again next week with more Currently.